Can you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
Start by leaning slightly forward and bring your hands behind your back. You should feel a stretch in your chest. One good tip would be to drive the motion using your elbows instead of your hands. So that means focus on using your elbows to move backwards.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
Now, moving on to the other side, remember, use your elbows to drive the motion to the back and feel the stretch along your chest.
Seconds left. Rest. Next exercise. Seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
Fold your arms and bring your hands up till your head passes through the box you created using your arms.
Seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
You know we have to do some push-ups if you want to stretch your chest. The push-up is one of the best exercises for chest. If you're unable to perform a kneeling push-up, try doing a wall push-up by keeping about 2 steps away from a wall and place your hands on the wall to do the wall push-up.
Seconds left. Last exercise. 10 seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect for now.